Welcome to Putting CLIL into Practice, the course in CLIL in Plovdiv, July 9th to 13th, 2018. Today, in this clip, we're going to have a look at guiding input using multimedia. So we've had a look at text, guiding students reading text. Now we're going to have a look at other types of media. And like with text, where we discussed identifying the idea structures, the organizational, conceptual structures in a text, we can do the same with other types of media. Whether it's guiding students through watching a content video, similarly with an animation, showing an element of the curriculum, from PowerPoints, teachers' own PowerPoint slides frequently have logical structures to them, logical sequencing of these ideas that can be exploited to provide a blueprint of what they're going to see and listen to guide them through those ideas. So that could be a teacher talk at the board, a teacher drawing at the board and talking through an experiment at the board, using realia, a hands-on demonstration. All of these types of media input will have logical structure to them that can be exploited to give students something to work with lightly while they're having a viewing or a listening of that content input. So we've got an example classifying living things using a tree. The tree is a crucial element both conceptually in the curriculum for classifying things. What's that?
Tiger.
It's a tiger. And what are these on its body? What are these?
Stripes.
It has stripes. Everybody say that. It has stripes.
Stripes.
Again?
Stripes.
Very good. Does it have skin?
No.
It has fur. Fur. Like Natalie's jacket. Okay, what's the next one? That one's a white tiger. White tiger. What's this one?
Zebra.
It's a zebra. Yeah, it's a zebra. It's a zebra. And what are these?
Stripes.
It has stripes. So look, like the tiger has stripes and the zebra has stripes. But look, and it can be used as an instrument for students to follow those ideas during the lesson, and then for follow-up pairs work or small group work, sorting images into the trees, sorting headings into the trees, talking with a partner, and following the initial input content from the teacher or a video at the screen. Question there. Can you read that?
You will do it this way. So
does it have
Does it have glasses? No. Put the animals here.
A yellow beak.
Where is the other one?
For a bird, a bird doesn't have a nose.
Does it
A bird has a beak. A beak.
Which of these animals that?
Likewise, natural and synthetic materials can be structured using a table. Students can work with a table to arrange different materials into two columns, whether they're synthetic or natural. In this case, we've got an example where children are working with natural and synthetic materials and they're writing in language that's been used in the video input and from the teacher. There you go. Whoopsie daisy. Let's have a see how you get on with that. There you are. One each. See what that is? That's the worm for making clothing from. And it was a worm that gave this material. And then they're following that up by checking with a partner, student A with student B, where they filled in slightly different information, and then they talk to each other and check that they've got the right information filled in. But the table is the conceptual structure that guides them through the input and supports their output later. We'll come to supporting output in another video specifically. We've got an illustration here that shows the process of acid rain formation, and students annotate the illustration while listening to the teacher give a talk from the illustration. But crucially, they're not filling in noun phrases, the names of acids and gases. They're filling in the process verbs because that, again, linking to following up, where the the students are asked to talk in pairs through the process of this acid rain formation. They need the process verbs to help them produce those sentences, talking to their partner. With this example, secondary economy, we look at the roles in economy, the different players in economy, and here we're looking at an animation embedded within a PowerPoint. So the structure of that animation itself can be used to get students to annotate and embed language, which they can then use to follow up for talking or writing or presentation purposes. And lastly, we've got an example here for cell division, showing a process in a video animation. But like all the other examples, the logical sequencing of the ideas in the animation can be used to structure a handout to guide students through listening and watching the animation in the first place, and then follow that up with language embedded activities in unison with the sequenced images within the animation. All of this is within the theme of guiding input with multimedia content. And that's part and parcel of our course. 2 sections: guiding input through text, guiding input with multimedia. Come and join us and find out more.